Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have, this one. Now you need to click at the three lines at the left top, and right here we have Upgrade Firmware. That's actually all what we need. Firmware is the same as software, so you need to click on it, and right here we have a current version and the last version. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!